Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jasenia for those that are new here, and in today's occasion I'm stopping by to show you how to make the Taco Bell Crunchwrap Copycat version. It's super easy. All I did to season the ground beef is I added a teaspoon of the following: onion powder, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, salt. Once you cook the 1 pound of ground beef with all of those seasoning together fully through, go ahead and start assembling the crunch wraps using the burrito size tortillas and laying the ground beef, of course, adding on the mild cheddar on top, lettuce, tomato, and your salsa. You can use the Taco Bell salsa or Valentina, Tapatio, Huichol, whatever you would like, but I used Valentina in this case. Once you lay everything on your tortilla, go ahead and lay a tostada right on top. And I use the Guerrero brand, the green bag. And then what you want to do is go ahead and close up your crunch wrap just like this and then set it down. Now once all of your crunch wraps are ready, go ahead and set your comal to a medium high heat and allow that to cook thoroughly there on each side. Now for the best part is the taste test. This is a really quick meal to make on a busy night, so I encourage you to try this out. Of course, you can check out other recipes listed within the channel that I'm sure you like, and there's something for everyone. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.